What is going on, guys? It's Noah from 6Flow Automations. Today I'm going to show you how to set up call forwarding for your AI voice agent for multiple different scenarios, including instant call forwarding, if no answer forwarding, busy forwarding, and so on. This is very useful if you're planning to implement voice agents for businesses that still want human control. So if you find this content useful or you want to support the channel, hit that like button, drop a sub, and let's jump right into it. All right, guys, so the first thing you want to do is go over to your voice agent platform. For me, I'm using Retell AI for this example. So I'm in Retell AI's interface with an agent open right now. What I'm going to do is click on publish, and I will select inbound phone number, and then I'm just going to select one of the phone numbers I have. Now, if you guys don't know how to connect a phone number using Twilio to your voice agent platform, I'm going to link a video up above that breaks down exactly how to do it for Retell AI. It's very useful information, so if you haven't checked that out, go check it out now, because you will need to set up a phone number in your Retell account for this to work. Moving on, I'm going to go ahead and publish this agent. So now this phone number is connected to the agent. So now I'm going to switch the view so I can show you exactly how to set up call forwarding. All right, so you can see here I've borrowed Adam's phone just for this demonstration. So what I'm going to do first is show you that when I call this number right here, our voice agent will answer.
Hey there, thanks for calling 6Flow Automations.
All right, there you have it. We have our voice agent already set up to that number. So the first method I'm going to show you is automatic call forwarding, meaning that the phone call will go right to your agent through your phone number, leaving you out of the loop. This is going to be a very simple setup. What we're going to do is head into our settings application. We will scroll down to apps, and then we will scroll down to the phone app right here. Now, if you scroll down under the call section, you will see an option called call forwarding. Let's hit that, and then we will enable this. Then an option will pop up saying forward to, so let's go ahead and select that. And here's where you want to paste the number in, not forgetting the extension. Let's go +1, and then type in your number. And just to clarify, the number you want to enter is the number currently connected to your voice agent. Once that's done, just hit back and you are all set up. So now to test that out, I'm going to borrow Adam's phone and give myself a call. And hopefully the call will not go to my phone, but it will actually go to the agent. So let's give this a call.
Hey there, thanks for calling 6Flow Automations.
All right, and there you have it. So if I were to disable this and dial the same number, you will see that I will now get the call, which is right here. Okay. Perfect. So you now know how to set up call forwarding if you want the call to go right to your voice agent, leaving you out of the loop. The next thing I'm going to show you is if you want to set up call forwarding under certain conditions, those being if you do not answer, if you are busy or unreachable. So the first step to this is in settings, we're going to go back to phone, and if you scroll down, you will see an option called live voicemail. We are going to need to disable that, so let's go ahead and do that now. Then we will head into the phone app. And on the number pad, there's going to be a few codes that we need to type in, followed by the number connected to your voice agent. So the first code is going to be if you do not answer the phone. That is going to be **61**, and then we will enter the number connected to our voice agent. Do not forget the extension. To get the plus, we will hold down 0 and then tap on 1, and now we can enter the phone number. Once you have entered the phone number, make sure that you press the pound button before you press the call button. You'll see this screen pop up and it will say settings registration succeeded. So let's go ahead and dismiss that. The next one is going to be if you are busy. So this is going to be **67**, again followed by the phone number with the extension. And then pound and call. Succeeded again, and then the last one I'm going to show you is if you are unreachable. This is going to be **62**, and then your phone number connected to the agent. And pound and call. Okay, so now you have successfully enabled the call forwarding under those conditions. Let's go ahead and test it out. Just to note, it may not be activated instantly. So if it doesn't work on your first test, give it a few minutes and try again. So to test this out, what I'm going to do, I have Adam's phone here. So I'm going to give myself a call like this. And we are just going to let it ring and see that if I do not answer, it gets forwarded to the voice agent. So I'll press call here. I'll turn this on speaker and you can see the call is right here. I will mute that for now. Let's just let it ring and see if it goes to our agent.
Hey there, thanks for calling Sixlow Automation. This is John. How can I help you today?
And would you look at that? We have successfully enabled call forwarding if we do not answer, if we are unreachable or busy. You just saw it firsthand in this live demo. Now, the last thing I want to show you is if you ever want to disable the call forwarding under these conditions. It is very simple to do. For no answer, you just type in ##61# and press call, and you will see that it says succeeded in disabling it. Let's do the same for the other two. So 6-7 and 6-2. Great. And then another way to do this for disabling all call forwarding, you can simply just do ##21# and this will disable all of it for you. And there you have it. You guys now know how to set up call forwarding instantly and under many conditions. If you found this video useful, hit that like button, hit that sub button, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.